Lesson 2. Overview of Microsoft Word Interface. Welcome to Lesson 2 of our Microsoft Word training series. In Lesson 1, you learned how to open Microsoft Word on your PC. In this lesson, we will explore the Microsoft Word interface in detail. Understanding the interface is crucial for efficiently navigating and using Word to create, edit, and format documents. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to navigate and understand the Microsoft Word interface. Create, open, and save documents using different methods. Use basic text entry and editing techniques. Customize the ribbon and quick access toolbar to suit your needs. Let's start by getting familiar with the main components of the Microsoft Word interface. 1. Title bar. The title bar displays the document name and the Microsoft Word logo. It also contains the minimize, maximize, and close buttons. 2. Ribbon. Located below the title bar, the ribbon is divided into tabs, each containing groups of related tools and commands. Common tabs include Home, Insert, Design, Layout, and more. 3. Quick Access Toolbar. Positioned above the ribbon or below the ribbon tabs, it provides quick access to frequently used commands like Save, Undo, and Redo. 4. Document area. This is the blank area where you type and edit your text. 5. Status bar. Located at the bottom of the window, it displays information about the document, such as word count, page number, and zoom level. Now let's learn how to create, open, and save documents. Creating a document. 1. Open Microsoft Word if it's not already open. 2. Click on the blank document template to create a new, empty document. Opening a document. 1. Click on the File tab in the ribbon. 2. Select Open from the menu. 3. Navigate to the location where your document is saved. 4. Double-click on the document to open it. 5. Saving a document. 1. Click on the File tab. 2. Choose Save as if you're saving the document for the first time or want to save a copy. 3. Navigate to the location where you want to save the document. 4. Enter a name for the document in the File Name field. 5. Select a format from the Save as Type drop-down menu, e.g., Word document, .docs. 6. Click Save. Let's practice writing an application letter for employment as a secretary. Start with the header surprised face. Type your address at the top left corner. Type the current date below your address. Recipient's details surprised face. Press Enter twice and type the recipient's details. Salutation surprised face. Press Enter twice and type the salutation. Body of the letter surprised face. Press Enter twice after the salutation and begin typing the body of your letter. Closing surprised face. Press Enter twice and type a closing line. Press Enter 4 times to leave space for a handwritten signature, and then type your name. Contact information surprised face. Press Enter twice and type your phone number and email address. Now let's save the document. Click on the File tab in the top left corner. Select Save As. Choose the location where you want to save your document, like the Documents folder. Enter a file name, such as Application _. Click Save. Next, let's customize the Quick Access toolbar and the ribbon to suit your needs. Customizing the Quick Access toolbar. 1. Click on the down arrow at the end of the Quick Access toolbar. 2. Select More commands from the drop-down menu. 3. In the Word Options dialog box, choose commands from the left and click Add to add them to the toolbar. 4. Use the up and down arrows to arrange the commands as desired. Click OK to save your changes. Customizing the ribbon. 1. Right-click on the ribbon. 2. Choose Customize the ribbon from the context menu. 3. In the Word Options dialog box, select commands from the left to add or remove from the ribbon tabs. 4. Use the up and down arrows to change the order of tabs or groups. 5. Click OK to apply your changes. In this lesson, you have familiarized yourself with the Microsoft Word interface, learned how to create, open, and save documents, practice basic text entry and editing techniques, and customize the ribbon and Quick Access toolbar. These skills will empower you to efficiently use Microsoft Word for various tasks, including drafting professional documents like application letters. Next, in Lesson 3, we will delve deeper into formatting text and paragraphs to enhance the appearance and readability of your documents. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.